Hello, everyone. This is Elizabeth Connor Stewart from the Mecklenburg chapter of Daughters of the American Revolution in Charlotte, North Carolina, and I am going to show you how to get started with this embroidery kit that we have designed for you. This is taking the new DAR logo and creating an ornament that you can hang on your tree, on a door, anywhere you'd like to have a little bit of DAR patriotism. The kit is going to include printed fabric, your bamboo embroidery hoop, thread, as well as a needle, a stitch guide, and everything you need, really everything that you need to create this kit. So let's get started with hooping our fabric. You'll start by taking your printed design on cotton twill and your bamboo embroidery hoop. Separate the inner hoop from the outer hoop by loosening the top screw. Your inner hoop goes underneath the fabric. So try your best to center your design, and then once you have everything centered on the inner hoop, lightly press the outer hoop on top. Once you have everything just the way you want, go ahead and start tightening the top screw. As you tighten that screw, make sure that the area above, right underneath the screw, is going to be smooth. You want that fabric to be very smooth there, and it can sometimes get bunched. Just work your way around the hoop, making sure that the fabric is nice and tight and everything is very smooth. You want the fabric to be drum tight in the embroidery hoop. Now let's prepare our thread. So I have taken 2 strands of embroidery floss and put a knot on one end. I've threaded that up with my needle. I'm going to start on the front end of my piece, take the knot through the fabric, and I'm going to do 3 little seating stitches, just very small stitches to anchor my thread. One thing to pay attention to is keeping your thread very smooth. You don't want any additional knots besides the one that we first made, and sometimes embroidery thread can tangle. So as you see here, I am just straightening out that floss so that I don't have an issue going forward. You can use your opposite hand. So I'm a right-handed stitcher. I'm using my left hand to guide the thread to keep it from getting bunched up. So use your left hand to guide if you're a right-handed stitcher, and opposite if you are a left-handed stitcher. I've come up on my design line, and now I'm going to snip the knot off at the top, and I'm ready to get started. The thread is anchored and ready to go. Watch the next videos for further instructions on how to complete the other stitches.